Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a package I received, and I think I know who it is. It says from Barker. So I am not gonna say who it is yet until I actually open it. So it's kind of a surprise. So let's go ahead and see. I love this poly envelopes that she used. Oh my goodness, how adorable. OMG. Oh my goodness. My first Valentine's. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. OMG. Isn't this amazing, you guys? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I was not too excited about Valentine's, to tell you the truth. I don't know why, but this actually brought some cheer to me. By sweet tea and grace. Oh, okay. So, oh, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh, Samantha, you started so early. Oh, cute. Look at you guys. Look at the presentation. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, sorry you guys. I kind of like just, I wanted to open it. Oh my gosh. Oh, and she used, I want to say she used some of that, what is it called when you embossing? Is it an embossing? Yeah. Oh, happy V day or heart day. Oh, stay sweet. Oh, this is so cute, Samantha. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. And let me look. I don't want to say but I want to say that she put some like bling right here, and she did um like what, stickles in here, I want to say, or what is it? Yeah, I think it's stickles, I want to say, but I am not too sure. This looks like it's been one castella, but it could have been like that. I'm not too sure, like I said, but it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Samantha. Oh my goodness. OMG. So let's go ahead and see. Awesome. Oh, hedgehog. You know what? I have not seen these. Thank you, Samantha. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Look at these, are so cute. Oh my gosh, the hedgehog. Is that what it's called? Yeah, hedgehog. And it says love. Oh, how cute. Thank you so much, Samantha. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you. Now I'm excited. Now I'm excited over Valentine's. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys. Oh, sorry you guys. So I'll link Samantha down on the description below. And again, she is by Sweet Tea and Grace. Okay, you guys, go check her out. She is an amazing crafter, and look at how beautiful her little card is. I love it. I love the presentation, how she had it. She had it in this burlap thing, and as you guys saw, I just like, oh, let me see what is, yeah, me, me, eager me. Anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. And again, thank you, Samantha. You really cheered up my day. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you really cheered up my day. So we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.